Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for reading our news. Please like and follow us for daily news updates. On Friday, May 2, 2025, U.S. stocks rallied over 1%, as investors cheered stronger than expected jobs data and signs of easing trade tensions. The gains capped a strong week following mixed signals in April. Major index movements. The Dow climbed 564 points, or 1.39%, to 41,217. The S&P 500 rose 1.47%, 83 points, to 5,687, and the Nasdaq added 1.51%, 267 points, to close at 17,978. Economic data. April non-farm payrolls increased by 177,000, beating forecasts, while the unemployment rate held at 4.2%. A Commerce Department report showed GDP contracted 0.5% in Q1, marking the first quarterly decline since 2022. Meanwhile, China's review of U.S. tariff proposals spurred hopes of de-escalation in the trade dispute. Equity market highlights. Technology and consumer stocks led the advance. Meta Platforms surged 4.3% on renewed AI optimism, and Nvidia rose 2.6%. Amazon ticked down 0.1%, and Apple slipped 3.8% amid tariff-related cost concerns. Block plunged over 20% after lowering its profit outlook, while Take-Two Interactive fell 7% on a game launch delay. Energy majors Chevron and ExxonMobil added about 1.5% following robust quarterly results. Bond yields and currencies. Yields moved higher with the 10-year Treasury note climbing to 4.31% and the 2-year reaching 3.83%. The U.S. dollar index eased to 100.4. The euro strengthened to 113, and the yen weakened to 144.99. Commodities. West Texas Intermediate crude rose 1.3% to 58.29 per barrel, while gold dipped 0.4% to $3,232 per ounce. Bitcoin traded near $96,500, its highest level in over 2 months. Weekly performance. For the week, the S&P and Dow extended winning streaks to 9 sessions, each gaining about 3%, while the Nasdaq climbed 3.4%. Advancers outnumbered decliners by nearly 4-to-1, indicating broad-based participation. Despite this, year-to-date returns remain in the red for the Nasdaq and Russell 2000, down 8.3% and 11.4%, respectively. Conclusion. Investors now set their sights on next week's Consumer Price Index and upcoming earnings reports. Sustaining momentum will hinge on further economic data, progress in trade talks, and Federal Reserve commentary. Thank you.